The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2024 kicked off in grand style at Madan Kurkalang Bhoirimbong Ribhoi, drawing a vibrant crowd of all ages eager to witness globally acclaimed performers. The festival's opening ceremony was graced by notable dignitaries including Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Sneob Halangdhar, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor and the Commissioner and Secretary of Tourism Vijay Kumar D. Union Minister for Donor Jyotiraditya Scindia attended as the chief guest. The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2024 continues to cement its reputation as a global cultural extravaganza, blending music, art and international collaboration. Highlighting the significance of the festival, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized the unique collaboration with Japan, marked by the inclusion of the Japan Arena at the venue. The arena showcased Japan's rich cultural diversity, food, music and sports, reinforcing Meghalaya's cultural ties with Asian nations. Sangma expressed hope that such partnerships would elevate the festival's global profile and highlight the state's heritage.
To thank our partners from Japan for partnering with us to make this particular arena and take the festival in fact to a new level and make it very, very special, and this partnership is really special for us, so thank you so much. And now I would like to request our Honourable Minister to kindly declare this arena is open.
So Conrad, his lovely wife Chandni ji and our Chief Secretary Saab and our partners from Japan. It's great to be here in Meghalaya, great to be here in Shillong, and just to see this vibrancy and this energy. I'm really glad that the Cherry Blossom Festival today is taking on new manifold proportions. I'd like to thank Japan for their relationship, warm, close, familial with India, and here's another expression of it. So I'd love to declare the Japan Arena in the Cherry Blossom Festival open, and wish you guys a wonderful evening and 2 days in the Cherry Blossom.
The opening day featured spectacular performances by international sensations Akon and Boney M. Akon delivered an electrifying performance, captivating the audience with his chart-topping hits like Smack That, Lonely and Right Now. His charismatic stage presence and interactive energy created a dynamic and memorable experience. Boney M brought nostalgia to the stage, performing classics like Rivers of Babylon and Daddy Cool. Their timeless music resonated with fans across generations, creating a joyous and emotional atmosphere.
person right here. Come here. She's crazy for the talent. Oh, she believes in him. I'm about to bring Akon back right now.
Before